Hi, decoupage friends. This is Amy from Caldecott.com, and today I'd like to introduce this die cut paper. This die cut paper actually comes from Europe, and the reason called die cut just because they cut it for you. Yes, they cut it for you, and they just left over this strip, the paper strip for you, and to keep this image, every paper connected. So when you use it, you just need to cut out this very, very tiny part, and then the image all come out. And die cut paper different with the regular paper because on the top, they have a texture, embossed texture. Some have the glitter, so they're very beautiful. So and they're kind of a vintage style. And yes, look at this. Yeah, and the back, you need to put some glue on, or you can use the regular paper glue or decoupage glue, Mod Podge, yeah, and you can just all the way glue on your project. And I think that's it. If anyone have any question or not really clear, just leave a comment. Let me to know. If you need more demo or need to know more, and let me know. Leave the message to me, or just go to my website Caldecott.com. Take a look, and thank you. Thank you to watch this introduce video. I'm Amy Collins from Caldecott.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.